That one looks like it needs some lovins. Aww. Loving on trees. Oh, that's so nice, Liz. Why don't you go give that one some loving? That one over there.
That one over there?
No, this big one right here.
That one? Oh.
Yeah. Oh, we love trees. Yeah.
I want to have the other one.
Okay.
That one.
All right. Aww. Good job. You're so sweet. Go ahead. Okay. That one's a little prickly.
This one.
Okay. See if you can get on in there. Oh. You're so loving. Now come give Mama some lovins. Come give Mama some lovin'. Yes. Mwah. Mwah. Love you, girl.
I want to do one.
This has got so much love to give.
That one out there.
You want to go in the backyard?
Yeah.
I don't know. Are the neighbors' dogs out?
But
Or are they done? I think they went back inside.
Okay?
Yeah, I know. They're just loud and kind of annoying.
No, this wash me.
Okay, okay. Let's go.
No, this wash me and sit outside, okay? Don't go anywhere else, okay?
Okay.
Just sit, okay?
Okay. I'll go sit on the stairs over here.
Yeah.
Got me a nice spot. Oh, I see you. What you doing? Ah, there's mosquitoes over here.